In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apify account to Claude AI. First, go to the Customize option on the left side, then choose the Connectors tab. From there, click on the Add button and choose Browse Connectors. On the search bar, type Apify. Click on it, and you will need to download the desktop version of Claude. This will take you to their website. Click on the Download button and open the Downloads folder when it's complete. Go through the setup for the desktop version. Log into the desktop version and you will need to repeat the steps from what you did for the browser version. Click on your profile icon at the bottom left side. Choose Settings, then choose Connectors. Click on Add and type Apify again. Click on it and choose Install. Now you need to go to your Apify account dashboard. Then go to Settings and choose the API and Integrations tab. Copy your API code here and paste that back in Claude. Click on Save and you are done. Toggle this button to enable Apify and you are ready to go.